Hey everyone, so welcome to today's video. So in this video today we are talk about that how to create 3D image object using AI. So usually 3D image objects we will be creating some of the tools, right? So in that tools we will do the designing and rendering and exporting. So all those things we will do. But using this AI we can simply give that prompt and that AI will get the prompt and it will be generating the 3D object based on that our prompt actually. So this all the things will happen within the seconds. So this is very much crazy, right? So don't skip that video. Let's dive into that. All right. So the first stage, we need to go to the app.leonardo.ai. So in this website, you need to sign in with your Google account. Once you sign in with your Google account, after that this homepage looks like this actually. So in that, on the first stage you can see that feature model, so you can predefined models are there actually. So if you need a photo real or animation or RPG like kind of things, so you can choose vice versa actually. And there is a community thing, so you can, if you scroll down that, there is already generated images will be there actually. So in that, currently we looking for the 3D animation style, right? So in that I can open the 3D animation style. So in that, as you can see, with this model they already generated lot of things actually. So I can just choose generate with this model. And after that, this page looks like this called AI image generation page. So in that I can just simply type. So I can type a beautiful sexy girl on beach. So I can just type it. I'm using CXII because of the content moderation thing. So if I just enter that, we need to wait some seconds, and after that you will get the results. So every day you will get that 150 tokens over there. So you can generate that number of images based on the tokens actually. So currently I can use that number of images too. And that prompt magic, I just enabled alchemy, I just enabled public images defaultly enabled there. So all of the configuration that tokens will be take 16 thing actually. So the result is comes in. And as you can see that, so this is one image. And after that, that next image I can just choose it. And so this is the two image actually. So based on that your prompt, you can easy to generate that actually. So this is one thing. And after that, you can put any number of things. So the next part, I can put. So next part I can just type that a mature old man digging the graveyard actually. So if I just generated that, so after that we'll see that result actually. Because not only that just animation thing, so you can generate the realistic as well actually. So that's why I can put like that, a mature old woman digging the graveyard. So let's wait some seconds, and after that you will know the result. Yeah, so here it is. So the results is comes. So in that, as you can see that that mature old man digging the graveyard. So in that you can download it and you can copy it. You can unzoom and zoom, and you can make as a crisp. So multiple things you can do from over there actually. So this is a thing for you today. And I hope you guys you really like that video. And please subscribe my channel for more videos like this in the future. And please share to that video to your friends and colleagues. So thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe our channel for more videos like this in the future. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues who might find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe our channel for more videos like this in the future. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues who might find it useful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.